Welcome to Katie Trader channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss it when I upload the latest video from my channel. I open sell because the market is quite stable, making a zigzag trend, or mountain triangle. It can be seen from the Bollinger Bands indicator that goes up and down following the candle, meaning the current candle will most likely go down. So I open sell. I use 2 minutes. We will see if I will profit. Profit guys, thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.